So today's lesson is going to be on the three worlds that collide in Jamestown. Objective: I will be able to discuss and compare the three cultures that met in the Jamestown colony using primary and secondary sources. Jamestown Review. Jamestown colony was established by the Virginia Company to find gold in the New World. Jamestown settlers established a rocky trade relationship with Powhatan's tribe. So that was the Native American tribe that had already lived in Jamestown before the European colonists came. And the cash crop of the colony was tobacco. So the three cultures of Jamestown were the English settlers, Powhatan's Native Americans, and enslaved Africans. So this is what we're going to be working on today. First, you're going to work on your do now. Next, you're going to look at these document sets. So each of these are PDF. And all you're going to do is to scroll through the PDF, and you're going to look at these questions for analysis. You're not writing them down anywhere. You're not submitting these answers for analysis. All you're doing is just thinking about them as you're reviewing each aspect of each group. So the first group is Powhatan's Native Americans. The next group is the English settlers and the enslaved Africans in Jamestown. So once you finish looking through those sets and thinking about those questions, you're going to come back to the exit ticket. Think about the three cultures that you explored and answer the following questions. What did they have in common? What differences that they have? And the last one is, which culture had more power? And then tell me